Okay guys, so showing you the other part of our Amazon find that helped created the whole little home office spot. We talked about the laptop. Now we're talking about the we talked about the filing cabinets. Now we're talking about the fur fox blanket. All right, people use them on sofas. I use them on my office little chair here, and this is a small space because it was brown and I didn't want it to. I wanted everything to be white. I wanted my desk, my laptop, and my laptop stand to be all white and matching. Yeah. So let me show you this. So this is awesome, guys. This is nice and soft and easy to wash. So again, the dimensions I'll put. I'll show you the dimensions in a link later on. But this was, so here's the size. I cut it. I haven't shown the side yet where I cut it. And I just took and put it over here, covered, because again, I wanted it all, everything to be white. The desk, the laptop stand. And I did the same thing with hair. I took and I cut it and pinned it in the back. Just use a pin if you got sewing machine, know how to do it, fine. I just took a pin, put it here, and then on neat hair, we put pins on neat hair too, so it's nice and neat. When you're ready, take it off, wash it. Wash is really good, and it's called a fur fox. Some people use it for the sofas. I just use it here because I want to have it white. Again, I love it, nice and shaggy, pretty. On my Amazon find, on Instagram, DM me for the link, and YouTube, I will supply my affiliate link. Take care, bye guys.